as well as Vivek. Thank you all for joining us and prepping us up as we get into a brand new trading week. With that, we're going to take our first break on the show. But as we do that, let me leave you with a big voice. This is some opinion coming in on the auto and real estate sector from Ridham Desai of Morgan Stanley.
We've been in a 10-year down cycle, actually, not just 5. And there's a huge amount of pent-up demand. And discretionary incomes are rising. India has crossed that threshold of $2,000 per capita income. At that point, a lot of these things actually will, see exponential growth. So it's a comment I'd make about discretionary consumption in general and autos in specific. Only thing you have to be careful about the electric vehicle disruption. So in the auto parts industry, you can buy a lot of companies that will not be touched like tires by electric vehicle disruption, because you need tires whether it's electric or non-electric. I think real estate looks good. Again, very similar theme to autos. Of course, stocks have done very well. So you buy your stocks when the valuations, are in your favor.
You think there's a longer runway for which will last the cycle?
I think residential demand is just about starting and is probably entering into a long-term upcycle. So we should see a fairly good, and this is a little different from the 03-07 cycle where developers focused on buying land at cheap prices and then making money out of it. Now it's a more conventional real estate sector which is driven by turnover, so volume. Sure. So I think we have matured as a real estate industry, and this looks quite interesting.